Now, you might be wondering if it's possible to do keyword research without using a keyword research tool such as Jaxi, which Wealthy Affiliate provides. And which is true, there are lots of ways to do keyword research without using a keyword research tool, but does Wealthy Affiliate actually teach any of those? Well, the answer is yes. They actually teach a bunch of different ways that you can do affiliate marketing keyword research without using any kind of SEO tools. So the way that actually works is you have to get really good at kind of understanding Google, and there's lots of tools built into directly into Google. Like for example, a simple strategy would be going incognito and then just starting to type something in Google, and it completes the sentence for you based on what people are searching for. And there's a bunch of other strategies and tools that you can use that are not like an SEO tool, keyword research tool. So Wealthy Affiliate teaches you about all of these different strategies, and there's tons of training and classes on keyword research. Ideally, you want to combine a keyword research tool with other methods of doing research, like I said, incognito, or just over time you develop patterns. You can kind of almost guess what kind of keywords are going to be searched more than others, especially if you're focused on a niche and you understand your audience. So I hope that helped you out. If you want to check out Wealthy Affiliate, they have a completely free plan. You can get started without a credit card. You can use the link in the description below.